Hello, this is Jace Fugate here with another session of the Introduction to the Go Programming Language course. Previously, in another video, we talked about using the make command to create a slice. Now let's use that same concept and show you how you can copy from one slice to another. So let's create a slice. In fact, let's just make this S1 and we'll just make my slice. We'll make this slice 2 or S2. Integers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to make sure that when we're doing copying that our slices are of the same type and the same size. So if I were to print this out right now, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then S2 would just be a bunch of zeros. Well, now let's copy everything from slice 1 to slice 2. You may think, oh, okay, we're going to do this. We're not going to do it that way, actually. We're going to show you a new built-in function. It's called copy. You say here, it copies elements from a source slice to a destination slice. And so we'll say the source slice is 1, the destination slice is 2. Oh, I apologize, got that backwards. The destination slice is 2, the source slice is 1. So the destination comes first, the slice comes second. There we go. So the first time we print it out, and then here we have it, it gets printed, it gets copied over. Well, let's see what happens when we edit S1, 100, and let's edit S4 equal 50 on the second slice. Well, I guess I should probably print out, shouldn't I? There you go. Well, there you have it. They didn't change that time. So when you use the copy method, you actually will get a different slice. So if you edit one, it will not affect the other. This is contrary, this is different than if you were to do this. If you did that, you would edit one, editing one would change the other. But if you use the copy command, it makes an actual copy and it doesn't have one reference the other. Thank you so much for being here, and we will see you again.